Good morning children, welcome to online class. Children, now we discuss the new lesson 3 addition. Now we discuss the new chapter addition. See children, what is the addition? Combining of two or more numbers is called a addition. Once again children, what is addition? Combining of two or more numbers is called a addition. Do you know the symbol of addition children? This is the symbol. This is the symbol. How will we pronunciation children? We pronunciation plus. We pronunciation plus. Okay children, once again, addition means combining of two or more numbers is called addition. The addition symbol is plus. We pronunciation is plus. Okay children, now we discuss some new points. What is the points? When 0 is added to a number. See children, when 0 is added to a number, the sum is in the number itself. The sum is in the number itself. For example children, we take one digit number 9. We take one digit number 9. We add 0. What will become children? 9. We take two digit number 25. 25. We add 0. What will become children? 25. We take 3 digits number. We take 3 digit number 325. We add 0. What number will become children? 325. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So children, see the once again, when 0 is added to a number, when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number. The sum is the number. Is itself. The sum is the number is itself. See children, what is the sum? What is the sum? The result of addition is called a sum. The result of addition is called a sum. Okay children, the result of addition is called a sum. Once again we do the first point. When 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number is itself. Okay children, second point. Addition of two odd numbers. Addition of two odd numbers is always an even number. Is always an even number. Children, do you know what odd numbers? What are even numbers? See children. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Is these numbers in ones place? These numbers in ones place is called a odd number. See children, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, these numbers in ones place. This is called a odd number. Next children, 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. These numbers in ones place. It's called a even number. 2, 4, 6, 8. These numbers in ones place is called a even number. See children, come to the point. Addition of two odd numbers. Addition of two odd numbers. Can you tell me the children any two odd numbers? Any two odd numbers? Tell me. I will take 5, 7. I will take 5, 7. These two numbers are odd numbers. Can we add it children? Okay. 5. In 5 how many? Now we draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, children, can you count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What number will become children? 12. 12. But it is which number children? In ones place, which number will have? Even number. Which number will have? Even number. The 2 is even number. So we call this number is even number. This is called the even number. Once again children, addition of two odd numbers. Addition of two odd numbers is always an even number. Is always an even number. Okay children, we say this one is also sum. The result of these two additions is called also sum. Okay children, can we take another example children? Tell me any two odd numbers. 9, 1. 9, 1. 9, 1. We draw 9 lines. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We draw 1 line. Can you count it children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. This is also an even number. This is also Okay children, next. Addition of two even numbers. Addition of two even numbers is always an even number. Is always an even number. What are even numbers children? 2, 4, 6, 8. These are even numbers. These are even numbers. We take any two examples. Tell me children. 6, 8. 6, 8. We add these two numbers. 6. We draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you count it children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 13, 14. Which number will become children? 14. 14 is a two-digit number. 14 is a two-digit number. In ones place, which number have? 0. In tens place, 1. 0 in ones place, which number will we have? In ones place, we have 4. In tens place, we have 1. Okay children, 4. What is the 4? 4 is the even number. See children, 2, 4, 6, 8 is called a even number. 4 is the even number. So this number is even number. So this number is even number. Once again children, addition of two even numbers. Addition of two even numbers. It's always an even number. It always an even number. Okay children, we take another example. We take two-digit numbers. Okay children, now we take two-digit numbers. 22 and 16. 22 and 16. These are one-digit numbers. These numbers placed in zero ones place. These numbers are tens place. Okay children, first we added ones place. We draw 2 lines. We draw 6 lines. Count it children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which number will become children? 8. 8 we wrote it in ones place. Then next will become in tens place. How many lines we draw children? 2. We draw 1 line. Count it children. 1, 2, 3. We write 3 in tens place. Okay children, in 38 means ones place, which number will we have? 8. 8 is the even number. 8 is the even number. So we call this. So this number is even number. Once again children, addition of two even numbers. Addition of two even numbers is always an even number. Is always an even number. Okay children, next we go to next point. What is next point? Addition of an even number and an odd number. What is children? Addition of an even number and an odd number. It always an odd number. It always an odd number. Say children some example. Can you tell any even number? Can you tell any even number? Okay children, I will take 4. I will take 4. Again, can you tell any odd number? Okay children, I will take 3. Can you add these two numbers? I will draw 4 lines. I will draw 3 lines. Can you count it children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which number will become children? 7. What is this number children? 7. The 7 is which number? Odd number. The 7 is odd number. The 7 is odd number. So children, addition of an even number, addition of an odd number, it always an odd number. Addition of an even number and a odd number is always an odd number. See children, once again we review the example. What is this number children? This number is even number. Odd number is 3. What we added these two numbers, which number will come? 7. 7 is which number children? Odd number. 7 is odd number. Okay children, addition of an even number and an odd number, it always come an odd number. Okay children, copy these points in your CW children. Children, in second class we shall read addition. Which numbers of addition we need? 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. Okay children, first of all we review the additions. In this sum children, these numbers are 2-digit numbers. These numbers are 2-digit numbers. In ones place, which numbers have children? Tell me. 5, 4. Which numbers have? 5, 4. In tens place, which number have children? 3, 2. 3, 2. Okay, children, now we added to this sum. Before adding, we first of all take the with the beginning of adding, we first take the ones numbers. We first take the ones number. In this ones number, what is the first number, children? 5. What is the first number? 5. Okay, children, first of all, we keep the 5 in your mind and take how many fingers, children? 4. How many fingers will we take? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, children, next we count numbers after 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 9 will be right in the ones place. Okay, children, next we go to tens place. Next we go to tens place. Okay, children, in tens place, what is the first number? 3. Okay, children, the 3 will we keep in your mind and take 2 fingers and take 2 fingers and take 2 fingers. Okay, children, we count after 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. We write the 5 in tens place. We write the 5 in tens place. This is the addition of these two numbers. 59. 59. We tell this is also sum. This is the sum. Next, we going to next example. This example is also, this is the 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers. In one digit numbers, how many numbers have there, children? 8, 1. In 10 digit, 2 numbers, 4, 3. Okay, children, first of all, before adding, we first take which digits numbers, children? 1-digit numbers. 1-digit numbers. In 1-digit number, what is the first number, children? 8. 8. So we keep the 8 in your mind and take 1 finger and take 1 finger. After 8, take 9. We write the 9 in the ones place. Okay, children, next we go to tens place. Okay, next tens place we are going. What is the first number, children? 4. What is the first number? 4. Okay, now we keep the 4 in your mind and you take how many numbers, children? 3. How many fingers? 3. Okay, I will take 1, 2, 3 fingers. We count the number after 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. We write the 7 in the tens place. We write the 7 in the tens place. This is the addition of the 2-digit numbers. This is the addition of the 2-digit numbers. Okay, children, shall we go to 3-digit numbers? Shall we go to 3-digit numbers? Okay, children, in 3-digit numbers in ones place, which numbers have? 2, 3. In ones place, which numbers have? 2, 3. In tens place, 3, 4. In hundreds place, 4, 3. Okay, children, what is the first rule? We first take the ones place before counting. Before counting. Okay, children, in ones place, what is the first number? 2. What is the first number? 2. So we keep the mind in your, we keep the 2 in your mind and we take how many fingers? 3. How many fingers? 3. Shall we count after 2? 3, 4, 5. Then we write the 5 in ones place. Next we go to tens place. Next we go to tens place. In tens place, what is the first number? 3. We keep in your mind 3 and we take 4 fingers and we take 4 fingers. We count after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We write the 7 in tens place. We write the 7 in tens place. And next we go to hundreds place. Next we go to hundreds place. In hundreds place, what is the first number, children? 4. So 4 we keep the mind, keep the mind 4 and we take how many fingers, children? 3 and we take 3 fingers. Okay, children, shall we count after 4? 5, 6, 7. Shall we write the 7 in the hundreds place? Shall we write the 7 in the hundreds place? Okay, children, next we go to second sum. Okay, children, now we going to second sum. In this second sum, in ones place, which numbers have, children? 4, 2. In tens place, 7, 4. In hundreds place, 3, 2. Okay, children, what is the beginning of the addition? First we take ones place numbers. Ones place numbers. In ones place numbers, what is the first number, children? 4. So we keep the 4 in your mind. And next, how many fingers we take? 2. How many fingers we take? 2. Oh, okay, shall we count after 4? 5, 6. We write the 6 in ones place. We write the 6 in ones place. Second we take tens place. In tens place, what is the first number, children? 7. What is the first number? 7. Okay, so okay children, we keep the mind in 7 and take how many fingers, children? 4. How many fingers? 4. Okay children, shall we count after 7? 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. What is the next number, children? 3. After 3, what we take? We keep the mind in your 3. We take 2 fingers. So, can you count it, children? 4, 5. We write the number 6. Okay, children. This is the 4, 5 and 6. Okay, children. This is the sum of the 3 digits. This is the 2 sums of the 3 digit numbers. Okay children, in next class we talk about the 4-digit numbers addition. In next class we talk about the 4-digit numbers addition. Okay children, can we write in your CW, children? Thank you children.